We're just going to give you a bit of a whistle-stop tour around our business and then how that directly correlates into these roles and why they're so important. Um, I mean, ultimately, people will hopefully be aware of motor insurance and home insurance, but maybe not so prevalent in terms of commercial insurance. Um, NIG is focused upon the commercial entities. So what we look at here is anything from small shops to offices to motor garages, all the way up to shopping centres or large-scale factories, manufacturing plants, even residential properties and large-scale blocks of flats. So we're looking at those commercial businesses and how we insure those businesses from the worst that can happen. We provide the insurance to really protect them from any eventualities, such as a large-scale fire, any theft that might have happened, storm, flood, leaks, those sorts of things, is ultimately the promise that we give to our clients. And usually that would come in form of a payment should anything actually happen. But the worst impact of any commercial business is actually being out of business. So it's not necessarily about putting things right. It's actually about them not being able to trade. And that's really why this role and the heart of our business really is about, and certainly my role in terms of underwriting, is looking at the protections that are in place to any of our clients and how we can help. So no business wants to be closed down, no business wants to be inoperable, and therefore actually protecting that and making sure that those protections in place really is so important. And ultimately, that's the role that we're looking at here. Risk control is about not just ensuring what people have, but how they operate. So some of the pictures you'll see on here, and hopefully you'll see some of the hazards, so especially on the middle picture here, these are things that could easily lead to large-scale losses. It's not going to take much for that pile of rubbish to set on fire. The guy on the left-hand side clearly leaning over and ultimately could injure himself. So actually preventative measures naturally helps our business because we don't want to pay out claims, but it also helps our clients keep their business moving. And that's really so important, and why this is a vital part of the role and the function that we have, not just in dealing with people's claims when the worst happened, but actually trying to make sure that it doesn't get to that stage.